Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are making delicious chicken shashlik restaurant style with fried rice or boiled rice, whatever you have available. So I'm going to show you how we are going to make it in my style. For that I have taken half kilo chicken and I have chopped it in a long shape or cube shape, whatever you have. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, black vinegar or white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. I'm going to add half teaspoon black pepper. I will also add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons and half teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to let it marinate for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to fry in a pan. I've taken 2 tablespoons oil and I'm going to fry the chicken till it changes its color and it's completely cooked and soft. Then you have to cook the chicken. So once the chicken is cooked and done, I'm going to stir fry my vegetables. I've taken half cup of chopped cubes capsicum. I've taken some 1 onion and tomatoes and chopped it in cubes. You're going to add that as well, and you're going to let it stir fry for just 5-7 minutes. Let it stir fry, let it get a little bit soft, right? In the same wok in which I made the chicken and the vegetable, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of ketchup, tomato ketchup, and I'm going to let it simmer, and just on a medium heat. You need to keep your medium heat. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons chili garlic sauce. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons soya sauce, 3 tablespoons, and then I will also add 1 tablespoons of black vinegar. I'm going to add I'm going to let it simmer cook, and I'm also going to add spices, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, and half teaspoon ajinomoto. If you don't have it, you can skip it. It's a Chinese salt, so I've added that. If you don't want to add it, that's completely your choice. So I've added all my spices. I'm going to let it simmer for 5-7 minutes, and then I'll add 1 cup water, 1 tablespoons of sugar, which is very important, so it's to adjust the balance. And also I've taken a corn flour. I've taken 3 teaspoons corn flour, and I will add 2 tablespoons of water in it, and I'll mix it in a very good I'm going to mix it and let it dissolve, and then I will add it into my curry. So because I want thickness in my Manchurian, I mean chicken shashlik, and I'm going to let it thicken because it's very important. You want it to thick, right? You want to get a good consistency after putting the corn flour. Like I've added it, and now I'm going to wait it for it to bake like 5-7 minutes to let it see if it's getting a little bit thicker. You can see that the consistency of my curry is turned nicely thick, and I'm just going to let it simmer for 2-3 minutes, and I'm going to add all my ingredients and put off the stove. So I've added my chicken, my cooked chicken, my vegetables and everything, and I've completely closed down the stove, and I've also decorated it with some sesame seeds and some green onions. So my chicken shashlik is ready. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. It's completely done, and I've served it with the fried rice, egg fried rice. You can serve it with boiled rice or any garlic rice, whatever you like. So I hope you will enjoy, and subscribe to my channel, guys. If you like this recipe, please share it, and if you want to learn more recipes, you can always give your comments. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching.